This is Home Run Cards and Collectibles here. I'm going to be opening some backpacks of 2016 update. I'm a little bit behind on this product, so I figured I'd open it up. They had a special Black Friday on it. Let's get started here. I always use a piece of scissors to cut mine open. Looking for the Corey Seagers in this. And Araya, and that's a nice first pack there, getting Araya right away. Jose Arias. Tom Goodell, Chris Young, Dexter Flower, Derek Law, Ian Kennedy, can't pronounce Dave, Darren Spawn, Michael, flip it around here, Jeremy Hellickson, Ed Carcione, Adam Conley, another one of the rookies we're looking for, Blake Snell, Francis Rodriguez, Cannon Broxton, Jose Ramirez, Tyler Moltler, Justin Graham, Albert, sorry about that, AJ Reed, Colin Moran, John Jaso, Rainbow Foil here coming up. Insert JoJo Fletcher. This is insert 2 here, David Ortiz. .500 Future Club. Didn't see these yet. That's Carlos Correa. Marcell Ozuna. Trevor Story. This is also Trevor Story's rookie year. This is the checklist. Austin Barnes. Saquon Ho. Matt Joyce. Julius, can't pronounce the last name. Sam Dodson. Jeff. Chad Green and Connor Mully. Joe Bagnotti. Down to the second pack here. Micro Fulmar, Jeremy Hellickson, Ed Carson, Paul Goldschmidt, All-Star, Bud Norris, Jose Fernandez, Diaz, Thompson, Duvall, Hicks, Mookie Betts All-Star, Andrew Miller, gotta flip it, Nova, Mark Macklin, Andrew Miller, Matt Scherz, can't pronounce that name on those ones, Cameron Mavering, a future debut, Trevor Story rookie, that's one of the ones we were hunting, David Ortiz, Will Myers, this is a gold card of Emmanuel Diaz, rookie debut. That's a nice hit. Here's Ichiro Chasing 3000 card. Bruce Waldron. There's the team Franklin. Edwin Carson, 500 Club Justin Upton. Mark Trumbo, John Lester, Jake Arrieta, Sean, I can't pronounce the last name on that one again. Here's a Trevor Story rookie we were hunting for. Hector Neese. Can't pronounce the name on that one. Sorry. Kirk. Matt Wieters. Matt Bushman and Tyran Guerrero. That's it for a second pack. I have to put the microphone on here, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me the first part of this. It'll be a little shaky here until I get it in. Using this top overhead holder for the phone for the first time, so I'm trying to make sure. I hope this video is coming out alright. Learn and grow as you use stuff. I find if you cut these packs at the top, it kind of helps on the wear down in the corners on this stuff. Especially since I have bad hands. There's a dreaded magnet thing. First one I seen, it wasn't printed on both ends. Flip it around here. I'm starting on the third pack. Alex Coleman. And Russell, Sean Kelly. Corey Seager All-Star. This is one of the ones that we were hunting. This is his rookie year. Jerry Famil. They didn't put the rookie stamp on that. Why? I didn't know. Jerry Kubler. Jeremy Hazelbaker. Here's his home run derby card here. The rookie, Corey Seager. And they put the rookie on that one. Here's a Blake Snell rookie. We were looking for him too. This is to me, this is a little bit of a sleeper update right now. That's why I wanted to open it up. Mark Mel, Andrew Miller. Especially since Corey Seager went to the Rangers there. This is Trevor Story debut. This is their second one. This is David Ortiz, DH, All-Star. Will Harris, Rose Canone, and our gold card here is Jason Jaso. Jared Gorkic is our Rainbow Foil. And our 3000 Club insert is Hank Aaron. That's a nice Hank Aaron there. Our All-Star 2016's Eric Hosmer. Prince Felder's our Future 500 Club. This is a nice hit here. Here's Jose Arias. Got a couple printing lines on it with Lilac. W6. This is an insert. There's the Pirates. Matt Narza. Aaron Sanchez. The debut of MAILDAY Diaz. Here's Kyle Schwarber's rookie debut. That's the first Schwarber we found. Like I said, this got a lot of rookies that are being overlooked right now in the hobby. We bought a 10-pack here at Blowout for this when it was on sale to Black Friday. Ben Rear, Eric Hosmer, Max Scherzer, Kenny Jason, Ryan Herr, Bryce Harper, All-Star, Drew, a flip here, Zach Britton, Yoder Alonso. There's our Francis Lindor, Brad Pauck, Carlos Gonzalez. I do not know what the short prints are in these. I'll check them going at the end here. Matt Bowman, Nolan Raymond, Tony Barnett, Brandon Rodney, Alex Combs, Shield, W. Herrera, Matt Kemp, and our gold card is, I can't pronounce the name, Ty Cobb. Our first Fire, which is nice, Bryce Harper. Like that card. 500 McGill Sano. And we got the Blake Snell and the insert. Steve Bryant. Kim Kim debut. Stephen Voigt. Will Myers. Carlos Gonzalez, Yankee Cornerstones, Jamison Tylen, rookie debut, Kid Johnson, starring Castro, and Blaine Bowyer. Chris Sale, Jake Durkin, Wilson Ramirez, Aaron Hill, Julia Thurman, Barla Colon, Vincent Valdez, Cole Hamels, Reed, Alexander Bargot, Chris Capano, Melvin Upton Jr., Jonathan Lakroy, Ed Renez, Carlos Belton, Ivan Nell, Andrew Miller, Mark Malenko, that's the second one of him, Andrew Murrah, Matt Scherzer, Brett. Our gold card is, this is a great hit here, is Mike Trout. That's a very nice hit there. Looks to have like a line or a scratch in the middle of it there. That's my luck. Miguel Sano is our fire. Chance the Rapper. Insert. Miguel Cabrera, the 500 Club. Here's Trevor Story again. This is the checklist. They don't have the rookie on it. Austin Barnes. Shang-Cho Ho. Matt Joyce. Jonathan. Sam Dyson. Jeff Brincourt. Chad Green. Carter Malee. Joe, you pronounce the last name, Almara, and Jose Ative. We're going to go in the back, looking here halfway through, looking to see if there's any short prints on this. I'm looking at the codes on the back. They're all 14s. I don't know if they put the short prints in the fat packs. I don't know offhand. Been a long time since I opened stuff up. I usually work on my updates for my sets. I usually pick up. I think they usually keep them near the inserts in this. I said that's why I don't think there was any the first part of this. I could be wrong, so I'm checking. There's a tie cob I missed. That's why I always go through this, the 3,000 clubs hit. Nothing in that stack. Yeah, on the back there's a serial number you can go by and check and see. On the short prints they have a different serial number. It's right in this area. Sometimes I miss them, so. On back to opening up packs. We'll check them as we're going along here now. Cole Hamels, Justin Reed, Bargot, Capelone, Lucas Gio, Gelati, Soria, Sean, Trevor, Tim Aldine, Zach Greinke, John Moskis, about the Alomar rookie, Brad Nemo, Wade, Buster Posey All-Star, Chad Breach, Carlos Gonzalez, Michael Saunders, Bowman. You got gold coming up. It's a rookie. Michael Carparto, rookie debut, gold. That's a good hit there. Melvin Upton. This is a rainbow foil. Upton Jr. First pitch. I don't know her name. And Chris Bryant All-Star card. Anthony Rizzo, the 500 Club. Matt Scherzer. I think this might be, no, it is a, I know I've seen him twice. That's a checklist. I thought maybe that was a short print. Land, Ozakar, Steve Wright, Escobar, Pirates Mate, Nomar Marza. And we'll check out the serial numbers in the back here. What I mean by this, if you look on the, actually it's a 14 too. I couldn't believe that they didn't change it. So, yeah, if I find some short prints, the numbers seem to be the same on the inserts, on the golds. Usually they're supposed to change it. If I find some short prints in this, I'll let you know. We'll check and make sure the numbers are. I may not have been doing that in 2016 yet. 4 more packs to go. Jose Fernandez is still sad about him. Diaz, Trace Thompson, and the ball, Aaron Hicks, Mookie Betts All-Star. That's the second one of him. Harvey Grayson, Jack Wilson, Junior Gara. Still ain't seen a Tim Anderson yet in this product. Sear Vargas, Drew Stubbs, John Muscus, another Almaro rookie. The second one of them. Brand Nemo. Well, there's our second Buster Posey. Carlos Gonzalez, the All-Star. We got a gold card coming up. Matt Moore. Rainbow 4 is Corey Cooper, All-Star. Excuse me for the call. Craig, first pitch. Clayton Kershaw is the All-Star card. Number 500 Cub is Chris Davis. Robert Stepson, Matt Zings, Derek Norris, Todd Frazier, Chris Herman, Ricky Week, Tyron Fowler, Brandon Moss, and Josh Reddick. Checking out these numbers again, even on the rainbow, the numbers are the same, so that's indication I may be missing some short prints. I'm not gonna waste your time doing through the numbers because the way it looks, they didn't mark them the way they do the new ones. Jake, Wilson Hermes, Aaron Hill, Julian Thurin, Bart Cologne, that's the second one of him. Vincent Velquez, flip it around here, Cole Hamels, Austin Reed, Alexander Bargot, that's our third of him. Chris Kemp, Lucas J. Ludo, rookie debut. L.J. Ramos, Jose Reyes, Johnny Cueto, Chris Knobs, Jackie Bradley Jr., Jade Gorko. I just now noticed on these, the tops, gold isn't the whole way good on these. Ran out of gold that day, I guess. Jack Cozart. Here's a rainbow foil of David Ortiz. That's a nice hit there. Keith Urban is the first pitch. Josh Danielson. Bryce Harper's our 500 hit. Yeah. Roberto Alomar, the debut. That's the first one of the debut. Jose Altuve, All-Star card. Mark Trombone. John Lester. Jack Arrieta. Sean, can't pronounce the last name. Sorry about that. Trevor Story rookie card. That's one of the ones we were looking for. Hector Nees, Albert Diaz. We're down to 2. This has got the plastic on the back of it, so bear with me here. I had the plastic thing they put them up on the rack with, so this one was out somewhere. This is the first one like that. Maybe this is our lucky one. Will Myers Home Run Derby. There's our first Lucas Giolito regular rookie card. Stripling, Cody Anderson, Tony Camp. We got a gold card coming up. Dan Jennings, Stephen Piscotty. That's the first one of them. David Freese, Chris Sale, Jake Dirt, Wilson Arenas, Adam Coley. Rookie debut of Blake Snell. Kenton Broxton. Jose Ramirez. Taylor Moulter. Justin Graham. Alberto Churras. There's an AJ Reed rookie card. Gotta flip it. Colin Moran. And our gold card is Pat Dean. Another fire, Bryce Harper. And it had a little bit of crimped on the top edge. The first pitch is Brady Kell. Miguel Santos is the 500 club. Pirates Mate, I think that's about 3 or 4 of those in there. That'll make my people happy up at the Hazen. They do Hazen Flea Market. Nomar Marza, rookie. Aaron Diaz. Armando Diaz and Kyle Schwarber's the next, the rookie debut. That's the second one. Pat Dean, and Barta Colon, and that is a checklist. We are down to 1 pack here. 1 pack magic here. Hopefully this is the big pack. Still didn't see no autograph or relic in this, but I wasn't counting on that. Didn't see one Tim Anderson rookie, so he's hard to pull. Here's our Jose Arias. That's one of the guys we were looking for. Derek Law, Ian Kennedy, Darren Span, Michael Wilmore, Maven Cameron, Trevor Story, rookie debut. This is Ortiz, Will Myers, Robinson Cano, Cody Reed, Miguel Cabrera, All-Star. That's the first one I've seen of that. We got a gold card coming up, and it's a great one. It's Trevor Story, rookie gold. Tim Aldine is our Rainbow Full rookie. We got Robin Yount in the 3000 club. Prince Fielder All-Star card. Carlos Correa 500. Miguel Sanao rookie card. I didn't know he was in this. That's a nice hit there. Benny Bush, Salvador Perez, Chris Bryant, Matt Scherzer checklist again, Marty Chapman, Armand Lee, Ozzie Garcia, separate thing. We'll go over the hits here. I'll sort them here. This is the 500 club thing. The 3,000 hit club. I don't have a big enough table to do this when I'm doing this here. It's only we only got one Team Franklin card in this. It must be hard. Team Franklin was Ed Carson Allen. This is 3,000 hit club of Ichiro. .500 clubs for Carlos Correa, Justin Upton, Prince Fielder, Miguel Sano, Cabrera, Anthony Rizzo, Chris Davis, Miguel Sano, and Carlos Correa. A couple doubles in there. The All-Star Game, Ortiz, Hosmer, Chris Bryant, Clayton Kershaw, Josh Donaldson, and Prince Fielder. 3,000 club was Hank Aaron, Ty Cobb, and Robin Young. Fletcher, Waldern, the Rapper, Plaza, Seager, Urban, and Cal. That was your first pitch inserts. I'll sort these here for you. The Fire, Gold, there's a Bryce Harper 500 club in this stack. It should put that over there. Our fires were Miguel Sano and 2 Bryce Harpers. The throwback cards were Jose Reyes rookie, Blake Snell, and Miguel Sano. Rainbow foil was rookie combos. I can't pronounce Nicholas and D. Ho Lee. Gerald, can't pronounce the last name on that. Upton Jr., Corey Krieber. The big hit was the Junior Ortiz here. Has a bum corner. And Tim Altman. Armady Diaz. Our gold cards are John Jaso, Shamir Kanane. Here's our big hit of the box. I would say would be the Mike Trout. Looks like there's a couple scratches in this, but I'll probably send it out. The Michael Conforto isn't a bad gold card either on this. Matt Moore, Pat Dean, and even the Trevor Story is a good hit. Try to stack our rookies here together. Rookie debut, Trevor Story, Jose Reyes, Kyle Schwarber, Diaz, Nomar Marza, AJ Reed, Kenton Broxton, Blake Snell, Stephen Piscozzi, Lucas Giolito, Alomar, Trevor Story, Alomar, Schwarber, rookie debut, Trevor Story, Blake Snell, Corey Seager. This is the only two that I got was a home run card and Seager. No rookie debuts. Trevor Story again. Rookie debut for Trevor Story. AJ Reed, Kenton Broxton, Blake Snell rookie season, and Jose Reyes. And he definitely got a bad corner. That's it for the 2016 update pack opening. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you, and have a great day.